This is my pet Parrot, and he likes to be rubbed in the head. He loves it. Hola, hola, las tortillas. So I just put my hand here, and he loves to get like petted here on the top. Do you want to say some words? Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants a cracker. Well, he only speaks Spanish. That's the thing. Las tortillas. Las tortillas. He gets pissed if I stop petting him. So, it's a fun little bird. It's a fun little bird. He's trying to repeat right now. He talks whenever he wants. I know. I got you. Getting tired. Getting tired. Alright. Say goodbye to the people. Yep. Exactly. Okay, I'm done. See? He's like, no way. Okay, I'm gonna pet you more. Alright, say bye. Say bye to your friends. Goodbye. 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 Alright. Adios.